In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Constant Contact. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is constantcontact.com. And from in there, you can just proceed to actually sign up by entering right here your email address and clicking onto this button. With this, you can get 14 days free trial of their tool. Once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to access it. I already have my account, so let me just proceed to log in. So here is the dashboard of your Constant Contact. If you want to change the background of the email or the social or event or landing page that you have created, proceed to that channel. On my case, let's change the background of the email that I have. Let's proceed and click onto this emails. And then it should be able to show you email hub or any list of emails that you have right here. You also have the option to create a new email if you want. Just click on this create an email and you can generate an email or choose from templates. So I have in here this email and I want to edit it, so let's proceed to click on this edit. Now from there, just wait for this to load. Now I have in here the actual email. So if you want to change the actual background, proceed to click on this design option that we can see right here. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can see the backgrounds and borders, and you can change the actual color of your outer background as well as your inner background. So let's change it. Click on this right here, and choose in here the actual color that you want. You can also click on Advanced in order to actually access the wheel. In this case, let's choose kind of a yellow hue, and this is what it would look like. So you can choose in here what your color would be if you want. Now you can also adjust the inner background by clicking onto this option right here, and for this case let's choose yellow. And this is what it would look like. So you can actually just change it depending on the brand options or the branding that your current design have. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.